So, today I'm inside with the beads, and it seems I ain't going nowhere. And yeah, the fridge is empty, so I gotta eat what I gotta eat. And loving to create, be creative, and all. I have mixed the oats from yesterday with the beans I had. No, the oats from this morning with the beads I had last night. And I did some little oily thing and some spices and all in all, and then put the oats in the middle, the center, then the beans on the side, and as they bubble on at very low temperature, super low, um, it's kind of like and make love to each other. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting. Yeah, moving on. So, as you can see, the beautiful bubble, and now I shall be later enjoying Otsuakai, been there, delicacy, jegi. Oh, twa twa.